manta ray. N is for nautilus, nautilus. O is for ocean sunfish, ocean sunfish. P is for parrotfish, parrotfish. Q is for queen conch, queen conch. R is for ribbon eel, ribbon eel. S is for salmon, salmon. T is for tiger shark, tiger shark. U is for umbrella octopus, umbrella octopus. V is for velvet crab, velvet crab. W is for wahoo, wahoo. X is for xenocanthus, extinct shark, extinct shark, extinct shark. Y is for yellowtail snapper, yellowtail snapper. Z is for zebra shark, zebra shark.